Okay, this is Storm Chaser.
Episode 1.
Episode 1.
Storm chasing with Banna and Connor.
As you can see, we are.
Wait, why are you doing it that way? Oh wait, is it the right?
Yeah,
why are you
it's
doing
this
it that
way. Because this is how it's supposed to go.
I know. We're not going down there. See you soon.
There is lightning everywhere.
Wait, get me on video. Is it on video?
Yeah.
Episode 1. Banna and Connor.
Hold on, my balls are itchy. No, not my balls.
Is
My
it
balls
bump
are. What?
here? Bump here?
On your head or your hair?
Hair.
Not really.
So it's raining outside.
We've got
I saw
lightning.
lightning. That's okay though. We're living in the moment. So if we get struck by lightning, sorry, you saw light. Probably. There's a bug in my eye.
Do you hear that, Savannah? That's my stomach make me food. Kidding. That was mean.
I wish I had apples.
You do realize that.
Why is it only on me? Get it on you. Here, we can do this.
Under the sunshine. What are you doing?
It's all foggy.
I know, my camera's all scratched up.
Why? What do you have to say about this?
Well, as you can say, I need to get a raindrop here. Here we go. The rain is about 1,200 feet above our heads. Approximately 85 neurons, so we got a good storm here.
We do. You hear that?
Yes, oh, look, it's a water tower. Oh my jeez.
What?
There's a water tower over there.
What if it explodes?
Well,
Jesus is bowling.
who's... Oh, I get it. That was me.
Maybe we should go inside. I mean, no, we're storm chasers. We have to live in the moment.
Actually, storm chasing is all about being safe and staying away from danger.
Well, as you can see, we're in a forest right now, and there's my
Only
house.
The extreme ones that go inside the tornado.
Like us. What if a tornado formed around us?
Doubt it.
Darn it. Darn it.
Darn
Darn
it.
it. Darn it. Darn it.
Darn it.
Ah! Okay, it's starting to... Hurry up! Right?
Duh.
Oh, it's raining. Oh. We took it inside.
Your mom going out to get food.
Yeah. Maybe I hope she doesn't die. So, we're in my bathroom right now. Chilling.
Alright, hold on.
Wait, no, we gotta. Let's admire the storm. Yep. Can't even see it. Probably really close to my
The
face.
storm sucks. Legs itchy.
Lick the camera. Sound like a cow.
Did you see that thing?
You made it all. You put the AFE lock on it. How do you even change it? Now it's all blue.
What is that?
Well, we're gonna go now because the storm's not getting any more
Sexual.
Yeah. So, episode 1.